purpose of life. Once upon a time, there lived a wise man. He was the head of the local administration of a small village. Everyone respected him, and his views and opinions were well regarded. Many people came to him seeking for advice. His son, however, is very lazy and wasted his time sleeping and spending time with his friends. No amount of advice or threat changed him. He wouldn't change at all. The years passed, and with time faded the youth of the wise man. As he grew older, he began to worry about his son's future. He recognized the need to give something to his son so that he can take care of himself and his family to be. One day, he called his son to his room and said, "My son, you are no more kid now. You must learn to take responsibilities and understand life. I want you to find the real purpose of your life. And when you find it, remember it always, and you will lead a life full of happiness and joy." Then he handed his son a bag. When the son opened the bag, he was surprised to see 4 pairs of clothes, one for each season. There also were some raw foods, grains, lentils, little money, and a map. His father continued, "I want you to find a treasure. I have drawn a map of the place where the treasure is hidden. You need to go and find it." The son loved this idea. The next day, he eagerly set out on a journey to find the treasure. He had to travel really far across borders, forests, plateaus, and mountains. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Along the way, he met a lot of people. He was helped by some with food and by some with shelter. He also came across robbers who tried to rob him. Slowly, the season changed, and so did the landscapes along with it. When the weather was unpleasant, he halted for the day and continued his journey when the weather cleared. Finally, after a long year, he reached his destination. It was a cliff. The map showed the treasure being placed below the cliff under the tree. Upon spotting the tree, he began to dig the ground. He searched and searched around it, and under it, but found nothing at all. He spent 2 days looking and digging for the treasure. By the 3rd day, he was so exhausted that he decided to leave, disappointed over his father's lie.